Welcome to Next Mindset. Subscribe if you're ready to unlock your potential using AI. Want to think faster, work smarter, and live freer? These 10 ChatGPT prompts will change how you write, plan, learn, and earn. Prompt 1. Act as a productivity coach. Ask me 5 questions to help me create my perfect weekly schedule. Prompt 2. Help me design a 90-minute deep work session based on neuroscience. Prompt 3. Break down into a 3-day learning plan with short daily action steps. Prompt 4. Give me 5 viral video ideas for YouTube Shorts about topic. Prompt 5. Give me a list of 10 powerful but simple money habits ranked by long-term impact. Prompt 6. Give me 3 scalable business ideas based on trends in 2025 that I can. Prompt 7. Review my daily routine and suggest optimizations to save 60 minutes per day. Prompt 8. Ask me questions to uncover why I'm procrastinating, then coach me to take action. Prompt 9. Challenge my beliefs about topic with counter-arguments and alternative viewpoints. Prompt 10. Give me 5 unconventional ways to solve problem that I wouldn't think of on my own. These prompts aren't just hacks, they're thinking tools. Drop your favorite prompt in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tools that make you smarter, faster, and freer.